So how to deactivate the blue ticks on WhatsApp. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. In the right side of the screen we have the sender and the receiver on the left side of the screen. Now from the sender screen we go ahead and type a message and then we go ahead and send it, of course. So after sending it, the receiver receives it. That means I only get the gray 2 ticks under my message right here. That means the message has not been opened yet. As soon as I open it, the ticks turn to blue. Now that's what we want to deactivate in this video. First, in the receiver screen, we go ahead and quit to the main page and tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner and then tap on settings. From there we tap on privacy and we want to deactivate or toggle off this read receipts toggle. Once you do that and turn it off, you go back and let's try to send the message again from the right side of the screen. So I'll just type in hello and send it. As you can see here, once I go ahead and open the conversation, just like that, the ticks remain gray. That means we cannot know if the receiver has opened the conversation or not. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thanks for watching.